Hello, it's day 3 of 30 days of Halloween makeup. Today we are on Clown, and my reference pictures are this one and this one. So I'm gonna do my base and I'll be right back. Okay, so my base is done and I'm taking this Lizzie McGuire blush from ColourPop and I'm going to pile a lot of it on and basically contour with it. Okay, so I've blush contoured and now I'm adding my Kimchi Beauty highlighter and adding a crap ton of highlight, like the amount you always want to put on but never do. I really like the idea of the freckles, so we're going to add freckles. Before we get too crazy, I am going to do a dark purple eyebrow, just like I normally would. Okay, and now I'm going to take, I think, blue, because I kind of want to mix blue in there, and I'm going to just go up in here and on my nose. Now I'm just gonna go in with a pink. Now I'm gonna go in with a lighter pink and just go under and on the rest of the lid. Now I'm going to take this purple and just going in my inner socket. Now we're going to use a dark blue and we're just going to create the little clown stripes. Now go over that with the shimmery blue eyeliner to make the cute little lips. Add eyeliner, glitter, and lip gloss. Okay, so here we are. I think we are just about done. Let me do my hair and get a different shirt and we'll get ready. So here is my finished clown look. I added a little bit of jewels just for a tad. What do you think? I really like it. I'm not the traditional clown and I'm not Pennywise. And I'm okay with that because that was all the inspo that I was really given when I looked it up and then I found those other pictures. So I want to know what you think.